Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do another pineapple update. Actually, I'll put my hand.
Just under 3 months.
Okay, so it sprouted in January, and it's already grown this much.
End of March.
And this is March 30th,
30th.
something like that. Sorry about that. So this is for our huge audience of subscribers. But something I didn't notice until earlier today, down here, this will actually be another plant. That is what is called a sucker, I believe. I believe that's what they're called. And it will rapidly grow into sprouting leaves just like this, and that is where the pineapples, sorry, traffic, the rapidly growing pineapples come from. So that will be taken off of this plant as soon as possible. Sorry, plane. That will be taken off this pineapple when it gets just a little bit bigger. Put in some water. It will rapidly open. It will rapidly root, and this will be ready to plant just in regular soil. This will not produce pineapple this year, but next year it should be ready. Another thing to note, when watering these plants, it is always a good idea to water down in the base, but also water into the top of the plant too, like around the base of the pineapple. The leaves of the plant, which do have little stickers on them, you have to be careful of that. But the leaves are actually designed to pool water, so it's always a good idea. They catch rain really well. They can actually self-water. If you are in a wet climate, if you're in southern Florida in the winter time and it hasn't rained here in I think about 5 months, you have to water a lot. But if you're self-watering, it's always a good idea to not only water the base of the plant but also the top too, so it can kind of self-water itself. So that is a pineapple update. I'll also have some tomatoes freshly planted in this pot. Vine tomatoes. Have to get some stalks. Haven't done that yet, but they're not very big yet either. Palm, of course, mainly just to block the neighbors. Yeah, pygmy date palm. Lights that still work, and just the rest of the plants that are on the porch, which have come from various locations, mainly vacation locations. So that's another pygmy date palm. And this is a succulent cactus that is over 20 years old, so 23 years old. And some little colorful rocks my nephew's painted. So that's pretty much it. Hope this is helpful. Pick that leaf back up. As you can see, it kind of crowds me in my spot where I sit. But have a great day.